Hello friends, I'm CA A.Rafeq. I'm delighted to welcome you to this introductory video on the Technology Summit organized by Bangalore branch of ICAI with the theme Adopting Disruptive Digital Technologies, CAs Leading the Change. In this quick introductory video, I'll give you an overview of why you should attend and what you can learn from this Technology Summit, which is being organized for the first time by ICAI Bangalore. We know the move to digital is inevitable and the digital is future. But you should also remember that digital is happening in a big way now. The information technology implementation is accelerating in a very big way. We find extensive use of e-commerce, m-commerce, e-banking, e-wallet, m-banking and so many other technology usage which is being thrust on us and which are forced to use. So digitization is the way information technology usage has become imperative because the government is pushing usage of digitization or technology in a very big way to provide and deliver services. So if you have seen the recent example of demonetization, this also is impacting the push towards digitization. The implementation of GST in the near future will also push us towards automation. Similarly, you have digital payments, e-governance, online filing, all these trend towards increasing use of information technology. What can you learn from this particular summit? You can get ideas on the evolving technology and its impact, obtain new insights and perspectives to harness the power of information technology so that you can apply this digital power not only in your own office but also for your clients. The summit will have presentations by experts with a common theme, and these experts are practitioners and leading exponents of technology who will provide the specific topics but with a common underlying theme and questions, answering the following questions, which are the technology FAQs of CAs. What does the technology do? How is the technology evolving? What are the impact on the enterprise and the professionals? How can CAs leverage technology? What are the emerging avenues for CAs using technology? And how can CAs prepare for the future by updating the skill sets? Hindsight is history. What client requires is foresights and insights. And that's what is possible using information technology. This summit will help you to get valuable insights on the emerging business model, digital scenarios, challenges and solutions so that you can ride the power of digital disruption to avoid becoming obsolete and also to remain relevant. So you can take a lead in accelerating the digital revolution which is happening in India in a big way and which is expected to increase in the near future. Let's have a quick look at the agenda of the summit. The summit will start with a keynote address and we'll have 6 presentations which will be followed by a panel discussion. The keynote address will focus on digital transformation through IT innovation with India leading the change by Mr. Sharat Sharma, who is the co-founder of iSpirit, and this broadly what is expected to be covered in this presentation. The first presentation of the day will focus on automating analytics using artificial intelligence by CA Babu Jayendran, who will focus on data analytics, how you can analyze information using specific techniques. We'll also talk about the deluge of data, the increasing use of automation, and how you can use automated tools of digital age. And finally, we need to understand the use of artificial intelligence is going to increase in a big way. So Babu will also provide you demo examples and case studies. The second presentation will speak on automated audit analytics and BI solutions by CA A.Rafeq. He'll focus on audit analytics using CATs, evaluating digital evidence with business intelligence and audit analytics, key distinctions, digital data, and also what are the automated tools available, what are the commonly used audit techniques, and we'll also provide a walkthrough of the digital audit techniques with a demo of these techniques which could be practically relevant and useful. The third presentation will focus on automated solutions for a paperless office by CA Guru Prasad. He'll talk about what are the CA services, components, processes, how you can apply automation for a CA practice. We'll also discuss in detail the process, service and documentation and how you can digitize and automate the process for delivering services. You'll also have a quick walkthrough of the automated solutions which can be applied in a CA office with specific examples and case studies. The 4 presentations will focus on mobile apps and social media for the digital CA by CA BP Sachin Kumar. He'll talk about what are the application apps which can be used by a CA. He'll give you a quick overview of the various types of mobile apps which can be used for real-time monitoring and planning, the social media impact and how it can be used, and also examples of using mobile apps for enhancing productivity with demo of specific apps. with practical solutions and tips. The fifth presentation will focus on business models and transactions of digital economy, the auditing challenges by CA Vittal from Chennai, which talks about the evolution and transformation to the digital economy with specific perspective on India and chartered accountants. We'll also discuss the new business models and transactions of digital economy and how you can audit the digital data, what are the challenges and solutions. We'll also look at the changes in the auditing approach which have to be brought in to audit the digital data of the digital economy, and what are the different frameworks which can be used, the best practices, etc. We'll also provide case studies on e-commerce, m-commerce, e-payments, m-payments, etc. And also what are the new approaches we can adopt to provide IT-enabled services. The sixth presentation will focus on protecting digital data through cyber security by CA Narasimhan, which talk about a typical process and data of a CA office, and what are the digital data of CA and clients, what are the creation, process, access and storage, and what are the need to protect this digital data not only of CA office but also of their clients, what are the threats, risks and challenges, how to secure the digital data through effective security, and what are the type of solutions which can be typically employed in a CA office for cyber security, and we'll also provide some case studies and practical tips. And finally, we'll conclude with a panel discussion on emerging technology frontiers, challenges and solutions, and we'll have panel Deepa Sheshadri, CA Rajiv Gupta, CA Vittal Raj, CA Ajay Gupta. I invite you all to attend this technology summit to gain new insights so that you can scale new summits of professional growth. Thank you. If you would like to register, you can register online. There are limited seats only. Thank you very much and look forward to seeing you at the summit and having a great learning experience. Bye.